Oh, Damien is going to see the big mess.
Ah, it's a big mess. Excavator. Are you going to dig a hole here?
Dig a hole. Dig a hole. It's a big mess. It's a big mess.
It is.
Oh, are you going to kick it? Oh, oh, missed. That was it. You got it.
It's me. It's me.
Are you doing the excavating thing? You're digging your hole? A hole?
Hole. There's a hole. There's a hole.
Oh yeah.
I did it.
You did it.
You did it.
I did it.
Good job.
Oh, good one.
I did it.
Good one. Look at this. Damien, look at this one. There's a big hole right here.
You want to see the hole?
Look at this.
The big one that the excavator did?
Come with Daddy.
There.
It's okay. Oh, look at that. They need some help here, I think. Oh, big mess. Oh.
I'm bring it here. It's my bring it here.
Yeah. Do you want to get up here? Do you want to stand on that? Oh, yeah. No?
No, it doesn't look safe.
You're not sure?
Doesn't look safe.
What do you think? Should we just take a look? Let's have a look. The wheels. It's where Damien would sit. Five. No? Okay.
Go down.
It's okay. You can get down. There we go.
Big rock.
Oh,
That's a big rock.
Yeah.
Big rock. It's too heavy.
Oh, it's heavy. That's a heavy rock. Oh.
You clean up? Oh, that's a good idea.
That's a big mess.
That's a big mess.